Jaguar XFS. Got a problem with the DPF filter. It's saying that it's blocked. It said this about 3 months ago. Went down the motorway, did the driving at 70 miles an hour in 4th gear. Did sort of 10 miles, turned it off. Tried it again this time. No look. Tried putting some additives in the fuel, done a little drive with them, no look. So I've put it on the LR2 car soft, and that told us that it couldn't regenerate because it was too full. So we bought some chemicals, we're going to chuck them in the DPF, and we're going to see if we can clean it out enough for it to regenerate on its own. So we'll do that now. We'll right, so we've got the car up in the air, located the DPF filter, which is here. That thing there. If you want to come under here a little bit, watch your bonnet. Up there is a pipe which comes from the sensor. I don't know if you can see it in there. There, yeah. Oh, yeah. And what we've done is we've got this straw, we've put it in there, and we've pulled the pipe off it using some clips there. Pulled the pipe off it, we've got a straw, we've put it in there, we've started filling it with this DPF cleaner. So I'm hoping and praying that does the job. So all you do is pull that off and then just squirt this entire can in there. So we're going to get all that in there, and then we're going to run the car and see what happens in a minute. Right, we're going to bring the car down now, and we're going to start it. We're going to run it for 15 minutes at idle, and then we're going to go for a drive about.
Ooh. Car's coming.
It's coming down. There we go.
It's descending. Huh.
Descendation. I really don't want to take this DPF off if possible, so I'm really hoping this works.
And yay!
Landed.
Perfect. Perfect.
We'll pull the stand out now. Just wondering what you was holding the camera about like that. I know you're going to be now good for a video. Keeps doing that.
I don't know why I'm sitting down.
Okay, let's start the car and leave it for 15 minutes. The exhaust is facing out the door, so we shouldn't have a problem. Let's see what happens. Obviously, it's still going to be on until it clears out.
See the exhaust. Ooh.
Don't keep it tested on the
Car's so close.
I initially came here to fix a Range Rover, and then this happened. And I need to fix this because obviously this is something my wife drives every day, and the Range Rover isn't getting driven, so it doesn't matter. Let's start it and see.
Okay. Oh, smoke. There's no smoke.
Nothing at the moment, but apparently they will steam up. And hopefully it'll start cleaning it out, and we'll go for a drive with some high gears, some lower gears at high revs, and see what we can do. We'll come back to you in a bit. Okay, so the problem we've got obviously is the DPF, and as you can see, it's on the dashboard there. Can you see that, Jackson?
Yeah.
Got the red DPF there, that's the problem. So that's why we've put all that stuff in there. It did just go yellow for a second, which means that it's getting, when it's yellow, it's not full, it will regenerate. So hopefully on this drive now, we can get that to change yellow or completely turn off, and that means that we're doing the right thing. So we'll get to Mackie's now, and then we're going to get down the motorway, and we're going to get down the motorway in 4th and see what we can do with it. Back in a bit. Okay, so we've just done the forced regeneration using this LR Car Soft 2. we cleaned the filter out with the spray that you saw, because we tried to do the regeneration with the car soft and it would not work. He said it's too full, it ain't having none of it. So we sprayed that stuff in there. We drove to McDonald's, had ourselves a burger, drove to got on the motorway, and we put the forced regeneration on, and if you look on the dashboard now, it's completely gone. It's just gone off. So I was sitting in 5th at 3,000 revs at 70 mile an hour, and I've done that for about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. Bosh, it's gone off. So we're all happy as Larry now. That's done the job. We haven't had to take it off. We haven't had to pay to get it cleaned. So that's the way to do it. 10 quid's worth of stuff, and away you go. Please like and subscribe. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers, so that's brilliant. So it's obvious that some people like our videos, some people don't, but don't unsubscribe. If you don't like this on the Jag, there'll be more stuff on Land Rovers, but keep subscribing, keep liking. If you want to comment, please comment. Thank you very much, and goodbye.